Hello everyone, I am your Android artist. In today's video, I am going to share with you my personal experience with selling artwork. So many of you has been asking me whether I am selling my artwork, and yes, I am selling my artwork. So in this video, I am going to share my personal experience. So how I tried different platform and ended up with one platform. So from 2020 to till now, I tried many platforms like TeePublic, Teespring, and Spoonflower, Redbubble, and all these. Most of them are free platform and print-on-demand platform where you can upload the design and get commission when it got sale. So in that case, the amount you get is very minimal, and also it is oversaturated platforms because you don't need to pay any fees. So I tried many of those platforms, and I tried t-shirt designs, repeat patterns for fabric design, all those things. And um, and during the process of searching the best platform, I came across Etsy. Etsy is a very good platform if you are a digital artist. So if you are already aware of that platform, it's good. And if you are not aware, here I tell you, it's a platform for small business owners and artists for selling their products. And here, for a digital artist, there are so many options you can try. You can, even if you are a complete beginner in digital art but you want to sell templates, you want to sell some wall art using Canva, all those things you can try in Etsy. So here I am selling for the past 4 years, and I'm selling wall arts, portraits, custom portraits and digital papers. So that's the main niche I'm selling on, and that is the main source of income for my from my artwork. And other than that, I also make projects for when someone reach out to me in Instagram for small animation projects. I have done few animation projects, and also I have done book cover design for author. You can find that book in Amazon. And then uh, personally, I have done some faceless portrait, custom order portraits for my Instagram followers who approach me. So that's the main forms I earn from selling artwork. So if you want to know further about Etsy and how to upload products, how to open the shop, all those things, if you want to know more about that, tell me in the comments below. And here in Etsy, I earned around, you can see, I have earned around $3,000. And now this shop is closed due to some GST issue, because last year the Etsy wanted us to submit GST. It's became mandatory and I didn't have that, and that's why they suspended my account. And now I'm thinking of restarting it again. And for the past 1 year, Indians were not allowed to open a shop. So it's the ban is released, and now you can open a new shop in Etsy and earn from that. So I'm thinking of opening it again and restart my earning from Etsy. So that's the main platform that for earning from artwork. And if you are doubting yourself, like if you able to earn from artwork, here I will share my personal experience in screen. So I will share my Etsy shop statistics, though it is closed for now, but you can see how much I earned from this. So you can feel some hope. So here I'll share with you. So here you can see, so this is my shop statistics all time, and here I earned around $3,000, and you can see the views and orders. Order does not include when one person purchase multiple products. It just consider that one person, and doesn't consider the number of products they bought. So basically I'm almost reaching 500 orders sales. And here you can see the views, visits, and here the number of item favorited, they liked my products, and number of reviews and repeated buyers, all those things. So yeah, this is the way I mainly earn. And you can also open the shop and earn in Etsy. If you want to know more about this, tell me in the comments below. I will share my every details about opening the shop, or opening a listing, creating listing, everything. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.